5 Money Habits of Self-Made Millionaires. What if the difference between being broke and becoming a millionaire wasn't your salary? Not your education. Not even luck. Imagine two people earning exactly the same income. One struggles financially for decades. The other quietly builds wealth and eventually becomes a millionaire. So what creates the difference? According to studies of self-made millionaires, it isn't about earning millions overnight. It is about daily habits, small financial decisions repeated over many years. Today, we're revealing the 5 money habits that self-made millionaires use to build wealth, protect their money, and achieve financial freedom. And the best part, anyone can start these habits today. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. Meet David. David earned $55,000 a year working an ordinary office job. Every month he paid his rent, utility bills, car payment, credit cards, and entertainment expenses. By the end of the month, almost nothing remained. Then he made one simple change. Before paying anyone else, he paid himself first. 10% of every paycheck automatically went into investments. No excuses. No delays. No leftovers. Most people save whatever money remains after spending. Millionaires spend whatever remains after saving. This strategy is called paying yourself first. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow dramatically through compound interest. The wealthy understand that saving isn't something you do with extra money. Saving comes first. Spending comes second. Habit number 2, live below your means. Many people believe millionaires drive expensive cars, wear luxury watches, and live in giant mansions. But many self-made millionaires actually live far below what they can afford. Imagine Sarah. She earns more than $250,000 every year. Yet she drives a used car. She avoids unnecessary debt. She buys quality products but doesn't chase status symbols. Meanwhile, someone earning half her salary may drive a luxury vehicle and carry credit card debt. Millionaires focus on becoming wealthy. Many people focus on looking wealthy. There is a major difference. Every dollar not spent on unnecessary purchases becomes another dollar invested for the future. Wealth grows quietly. Debt makes noise. Habit number 3, invest consistently. When markets fall, many people panic. They sell their investments. They stop investing. They wait for the perfect time. Millionaires often do the opposite. When markets decline, they continue investing. When headlines spread fear, they remain patient. They understand one important truth. Time in the market is more powerful than timing the market. Self-made millionaires frequently invest automatically every month. They don't rely on emotions. They rely on systems. Because emotions create bad investors. Consistency creates wealth. Habit number 4, never stop learning. Many people stop learning about money after leaving school. Millionaires continue learning for their entire lives. They read books, listen to podcasts, study investing, learn about taxes, understand business, and improve their financial knowledge. Imagine two people receiving $100,000. One spends it. The other invests it wisely. Knowledge changes outcomes. Warren Buffett once said that the best investment you can make is in yourself. Financial education creates opportunities. It helps people avoid expensive mistakes. And it allows money to work more effectively. Millionaires know that the more they understand money, the better financial decisions they make. And better decisions create better results. Habit number 5, think long-term. Most people ask, how can I make money this month? Millionaires ask, how can I build wealth for the next 20 years? This mindset changes everything. Instead of chasing quick profits, they focus on long-term goals. Instead of buying liabilities, they buy assets. Instead of reacting emotionally, they stay patient. Imagine planting a tree. During the first year, there is very little growth. The second year may look the same. But underground, the roots become stronger. Eventually, the tree becomes massive. Wealth works exactly the same way. Small actions repeated for decades create extraordinary results. Patience becomes a financial superpower. Here is the real secret. Most self-made millionaires did not inherit millions. They did not win the lottery. They did not become rich overnight. They built wealth slowly. One paycheck. One investment. One smart decision at a time. The habits may appear simple, but their results are powerful. Pay yourself first. Live below your means. Invest consistently. Continue learning. And think long-term. These habits do not require a huge salary. They require discipline. Imagine where your finances could be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, or even 20 years from now. The habits you choose today will shape the life you live tomorrow. Because becoming wealthy usually isn't one big decision. It is thousands of small decisions repeated consistently. The question is not whether these habits work. The question is, which one will you start today?